Yeah. You just love the game.
So what am I supposed to tell you?
You just wait, You just wait, No. Just wait, relax.
Are you sure about this?
Yeah, you don't worry. Please. Can you tell me?
This is the other one. Welcome home. I say because no one appreciates, not because I don't want to cook. Because no one appreciates anything I do.
Mom.
All you do is grumble and come home late and don't watch Barbara talk badly to me and never do anything. The only person who seems to respect me in this house is Monica. You don't even know that she's going through a hard time in exams.
You have a new cash?
Yes. For you ladies.
Okay, please look at
the holidays. Yeah. Lazima mpate free entertainment.
Wanakati kwanza
Tafuta madha anado. Madha anakupelekesha mpaka unasikia ni yake.
Unajua teki? Unajua teki kitu ya mind wewe.
Ati teki deno. Wewe nilisikia namuambia tiki na kwa sana.
Wewe deno unakumbuka siku ile tukiwa game ya Man U. Unadhani hiyo pub nikifagizo madrinks zilikuwa nimetoa wapi tenga tano.
Tafuta dem.
Oh, have you been Charity?
I'm not so bad. I just only like met last time. I'm married with 3 children. My girl is graduating next month. I'm so happy.
Don't put out the glow.